Sam here with MarineMax Coco, and today we're going to check out Sea Ray SPX Outboard. Back here you can see it's paired with the 150 Mercury 4-stroke. On the swim platform you have the stick-down sea deck. It goes nice with the vinyl. Back here, nice big pad to lay out, catch some rays. Here is a removable cooler, your battery storage, and you do have your battery switch off to the side. As we make our way down, you can see the sea deck is continuous. Back here, we have an integrated cooler. Massive storage underneath this sun pad. That is the filler cushion for the bow. Helm seat with the flip-up bolster. You do have your integrated SIMRAD, Fusion stereo. Nice, massive in-floor storage. Keep all your wet gear in here. Lockable storage here for all your personal items. Up front, you can see that bow filler cushion would go here and make this a huge sun pad. Storage underneath both sides. And this does remove so that you can step off and jump right onto the sandbar. Dedicated anchor locker with the tie-off cleat. This boat is the Neo Mint Green color from Sea Ray, and I'll show you that in a little bit. This boat is available and ready for delivery.